Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. This initial loading process is important because you'll need full system access to modify your display settings. Just give it a moment to finish booting up completely before proceeding. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, you're going to access the personalization settings where all your display customization options live. To do this, navigate to any blank space on your Windows desktop and right-click. This will open a context menu with several options. From the menu that appears, simply click on Personalize. This is your gateway to changing how Windows looks and feels. A personalization window will now appear on your screen. This window contains all the visual customization options for your system. Now from here, look at the left-hand side menu where you'll see various personalization categories listed vertically. Click on Colors to access the color settings for your system. This is where Windows keeps all the theme and color mode options. Within the color settings, you'll see two important options that control how your system appears. The first one is choose your default window mode, and the second is choose your default app mode. These two settings work together to give you a complete dark mode experience. Simply select dark for both options by clicking on the radio button next to each one. The first option sets your application windows to dark mode, while the second option ensures your system interface also switches to dark mode. Together, they create a consistent dark theme across your entire Windows 11 experience. And that's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode across your Windows 11 system, making it easier on your eyes, especially during nighttime use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.